This is beautiful. What a lovely thing to do.
Yeah. No, this is where we die.
Not today. No.
Oh my god, I'm full of sand. Give me the camera. So I'm with my new friend. He's got his little the tea cooking and his bed, and he's been very, hospitable to us. Just getting ready to go on the quads. Got a cool little jacket. Off you, Dudley.
What? Oh, you got goggles?
Yeah.
Oh, you got goggles?
Yeah, goggles under my face. I am going on the back with Dudley. Offie's going on one on his own.
Right.
So we'll see how that pans out. Oh, camel. I'm boiling, but I can't see the bottom of the jacket to under the zip.
Jump on, baby doll. I got my whip.
This is different to the Harley, isn't it? He's teaching Alfie how to ride now. And we're on. You excited, Alfie? This is different to the Harley. It's different to the Harley.
It's very comfortable.
For you, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah?
I know we've only just got on,
Yeah?
but I think I need to buy a quad bike.
No, you don't. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's lovely. This will be fun. It'll give us a different little view of Essaouira, won't it?
Yeah. I'll put the glasses on.
This is really nice. It's nicer than I thought it was going to be. Oh, this is beautiful. What a lovely thing to do.
Yeah.
Practicing our steering, I think. And the horses and the dogs.
Oh, yeah.
And the camels.
Okay, we've upped the game a little bit now.
Are you ready?
Oh, no. This is where we die.
Not today. Not today, Satan.
I can't describe how bumpy this is. Oh my god, I'm full of sand.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hey!
Are they houses?
Yeah.
Found a baby. Whoop.
So you've got your little nuts, haven't you, baby? Your shanty nuts. And your little cup of tea.
Dudley's scared to drink the tea and the nuts, so in 24 hours I'll let you know whether they were safe or not. But I'm grateful for the hospitality. And I'm a little traveller. Hey, what?
You're moving
Give
in
me
here.
the camera. Can I film or no?
Yeah,
Wait. So I'm with my new friend. He's got his little the tea cooking and his bed, and he's been very hospitable to us.